Hello, my name is Stephanie Gray. Today I will be talking to you about your role as a parent or guardian in your child's IEP process. What is an IEP? Individualized Education Program, a plan developed with detailed support and services your child's school will provide to meet their needs. Basically, it is a program and process that puts together a team of individuals from your child's school administration, like the principal or assistant principal, special education teacher, behavior education teacher, general education teacher, psychologist, speech language pathologist, guidance counselor, or paraprofessional. Then together, you and your child will meet up quarterly and annually with the IEP team to review results and discuss what goals, solutions, services your child is qualified to receive. The purpose of this meeting is to identify what is an appropriate plan to help your child with disability achieve their goals to further their academic development. You should keep record of concerns you may have, share relevant information because your input is essential to share. And it will provide information of how your child performs at home, which is outside of school. That's why parent, guardian, and student involvement in the IEP process is important to help them succeed. Parents should participate in all aspects of their child's education by being present in the meeting. Make sure your schedule is clear and you arrive on time to the meeting. It's your responsibility to make informed decisions knowing why something has been approved or declined in your child's case and what are the next steps to follow. In these meetings, the student may be included when it is necessary and appropriate. First step for special education process is referral. Either you, the parent, school staff, or other school personnel can request an evaluation. The responsibility of the school, once the referral is in place, is to identify, locate, and evaluate the child who may have the disability. It is important before sending the referral to get informed. Talk with your child's general education teacher, like myself, learn about common signs of learning disabilities and special education services. After the referral is accepted, the school district will send a written plan for evaluating your child, which you have to provide a signed consent. Next is the evaluation process. The evaluation has 60 days from when the referral was requested. The parent will be notified about the process. The child will take a test in their native language. Also, the child will be observed and monitored by the school district personnel in the classroom and how they interact with their peers. They must use a variety of assessment tools and strategies to gather relevant functional, developmental, and academic information about your child. The evaluation process will determine if the child is with a disability and what appropriate IEP content will be applied in the child's general education curriculum. So, how do you know your child is eligible? Eligibility is determined based on the information gathered from the evaluation data, including tests, information on the child's physical, behavior, emotional, social background, your input, teacher recommendations. The child qualifies for special education if they have one of the 13 disability categories under IDEA, which are autism, deafness, emotional disturbance, hearing impairment, intellectual disability, multiple disabilities, orthopedic impairment, other health impairments, specific learning disability, speech or language impairment, traumatic brain injury, or visual impairment, including blindness. Now I'll discuss the two major components of the IEP. Component number one is establishing measurable annual goals for your child. It is important to identify the goals that are going to be obtainable for your child to be successful in their education. The second component states special education related services, supplementary aids and supports, We will provide them to you at no cost and make sure you understand the services that will help your child advance toward attaining annual goals, make progress in their general curriculum, help your child participate with other students that don't have disabilities, and that also includes assistive technology tools such as calculators and other things that are helpful for your child to succeed in their educational environment. I hope this information has given you an understanding of what your role is in the IEP meetings. And if you have any questions, ask one of our ask the facilitator or one of our teams, and we will let you know more information about it because it is very important to have your input. We will work together to make a difference in your child's life and help them achieve their academic goals. Thank you.